If you're anything like us, you've probably felt that dizzying, almost head-spinning pace of development in artificial intelligence lately. It truly feels like every single week brings this fresh wave of news that just reshapes the landscape of what we thought was possible.
It really is a challenge, isn't it? I mean, the sheer volume of information can be, well, overwhelming. It makes it tough to separate the truly significant insights from just, more noise.
And that's exactly our mission today. This deep dive isn't just about skimming those headlines. No, we've taken a stack of the most recent updates, industry reports, groundbreaking research, and we're here to extract the most important nuggets for you. Our goal is basically to cut through that noise, help you understand the most significant shifts, and maybe uncover those aha moments that'll leave you feeling truly well-informed about what AI is doing and, crucially, where it's headed.
Yeah, we'll explore everything from the massive corporate partnerships and, frankly, funding explosions shaping the industry's power structure, all the way to the latest tools that are fundamentally changing how we interact with technology. We'll look at AI's really profound impact on diverse industries, and we'll also need to tackle the critical, ethical questions that are evolving just as quickly as the tech itself.
Okay, let's unpack this then. We're kicking things off with what I can only describe as the shifting sands of AI power. This past period has been an unusually dense one for major industry moves, signaling a pretty significant realignment of influence in the AI space.
It's definitely more than just big deals. It's about strategic independence and building resilient infrastructure, too. Take the truly historic $300 billion cloud computing partnership between OpenAI and Oracle. I mean, this isn't just about massive compute power, though it is that. It's a strategic chess move for OpenAI, kind of diversifying its infrastructure beyond its, let's say, traditional reliance on Microsoft Azure. This not only bolsters its ability to scale advanced AI, but also signals a growing trend, Major AI players seeking multi-vendor cloud strategies to mitigate risks and foster innovation.
That is a colossal amount of money and a huge statement about where OpenAI sees its future. But it's not just about these one-to-one deals, is it? We're also seeing major players spreading their bets. Microsoft, for example, is integrating Anthropic's Claude AI, that includes Claude Sonnet 4, right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, into its Office 365 productivity tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So what does this multi-model strategy actually signal about the maybe maturity of the AI market? How does it change the game for the companies developing these models?
Well, this move by Microsoft really highlights how sophisticated the AI market has become. Companies aren't just picking one single AI model anymore, They're building a diverse portfolio of advanced models to address different needs, ensure redundancy. It's a sign of practical application, maybe overriding exclusive alliances. And then you have Meta, investing over $100 million in a multi-year deal with AI image startup Black Forest Labs. That's a huge push to bolster their AI-driven content and image generation capabilities, showing just how crucial visual AI is becoming across platforms.
Right, and it's not just the Western tech giants playing this game either. The global race for AI dominance is really heating up. Baidu, for example, has unveiled Ernie X 1.1. They're claiming performance on par with cutting-edge models like GPT-5 and Gemini 2.5 Pro, boasting a 35% improvement in knowledge accuracy. That firmly positions them at the forefront of global AI innovation.
The global ambition is palpable, yeah. And this naturally leads us to wonder, well, how will these international claims fare as other regions push forward? We're seeing European players like the French startup Mistral doubling its valuation to, $14 billion? That really highlights Europe's growing role. And then there's the UAE, introducing the budget-friendly K2 Think AI model, specifically aimed at rivaling industry giants and democratizing access to powerful AI in the Middle East. It's a strategic effort, really, to ensure wider participation in this AI revolution.
Yeah, and OpenAI itself clearly sees that global opportunity. They're launching a Korean office, forming alliances with local giants like Samsung, SK Group, and Kakao. They recognize Korea as the second largest paid ChatGPT market, which, tells you a lot about where the commercial growth is truly happening. And it's this kind of massive market potential that continues to fuel unabated AI investment boom, pouring staggering amounts of capital into innovative platforms.
The numbers are indeed astonishing. AI development platform Replit, for instance, raised $250 million, hitting a $3 billion valuation. And similarly, AI startup Cognition secured $400 million, soaring to a $10.2 billion valuation for its AI-powered coding tool Devin. These valuations reflect just immense confidence in the future of AI-powered development, particularly in tools that empower creators and developers.
Right. And it's not just core development either. We're even seeing new monetization avenues emerge. like Koa securing $5 million in seed funding for pioneering advertising solutions within AI chat applications. It shows how quickly the entire ecosystem is maturing, finding new ways to integrate AI into existing business models. So we've covered the shifting power dynamics and the colossal investments fueling this growth, but what's actually emerging from all this capital and strategic maneuvering? Let's turn our attention to the incredible tangible innovations, the new tools, models, and features that are truly pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.
What's striking about this period, I think, is the focus on both raw power and user accessibility. For developers, platforms like Together have upgraded to fine-tune massive AI models. We're talking over 100 billion parameters, these incredibly complex neural networks. And they're giving them a memory of 131,000 tokens. This means these models can process and understand much longer conversations or documents at once, greatly enhancing their ability to perform, intricate tasks.
And the speed at which developers can iterate now, it's mind-boggling. Tools like Checkpoint Engine and VLLM are enabling rapid in-place weight updates and even, trillion parameter synchronization in mere seconds for high-scale training. That's critical for iterating quickly and efficiently on complex models. And on the application side, Google's Genkit Go 1.0 has now reached production readiness. It's for building powerful AI applications that can not only generate text, but also reason by fetching real-time info from external sources. That's what we call RAG-enabled, right? Retrieval Augmented Generation.
Exactly, RAG-enabled. Making them far more accurate and less prone to, making things up, hallucination.
Yeah.
And this naturally leads us to wonder how these powerful tools can be made accessible to a wider audience. ServiceNow's new Zurich platform tackles this by democratizing AI. It enables users, even non-technical staff, to build applications just using natural language through its Build Agent feature. It's all about empowering more people to create and customize AI tools for their specific needs. And for those navigating complex cloud environments, tools like SciPilot and Coiled are making multi-cloud AI jobs and, like one-command Python workloads, significantly simpler.
That's a huge relief for anyone managing cloud resources, I bet. Okay, moving on to the advancements in large language models and other models themselves, we're seeing new standards being set. DeepMind's Simple QA, for instance, established a tighter factuality standard with Gemini 2.5 Pro at the top. And Gemini 2.5 Pro is also leading a new academic audio language benchmark. These benchmarks are crucial, aren't they? For measuring true, verifiable progress, not just hype.
Absolutely. Performance is being rigorously tested. We're also seeing a rise in specialized and highly efficient models, proving that, raw size isn't everything. K2 Think 32B, for instance, posted strong math and reasoning results. And OpenVLA 7B surpassed much larger models like RT2X55B on manipulation tasks for robotics. This indicates that carefully designed, more compact models can outperform even massive general-purpose ones for specific tasks, which is pretty interesting.
And the multilingual capabilities are rapidly improving, too. Membert is now dethroning XLMR for multilingual encoding, offering large speedups, and ModernBird is extending multilingual coverage even further. This means AI is becoming far more accessible and effective across different languages globally, breaking down communication barriers. Plus, a 3 billion parameter open source model recently drew attention for competitive results against much larger frontier systems. It demonstrates that powerful AI doesn't always need to be massive or proprietary.
That's excellent news for democratizing access to advanced AI models, definitely. But beyond the core models, what truly matters is how these advancements translate into enhanced user experiences and new features we can all actually interact with.
Exactly. ChatGPT, for instance, introduced developer mode with full MCP. That's Microsoft Copilot platform tool support, write actions, and even in-chat image generation via FLUX. That's a massive leap in what you can achieve directly within the chat interface. It's moving closer to a fully integrated creative and productivity hub. Anthropic also added a web fetch API for live retrieval, meaning Claude can now pull real-time information from the internet. And they significantly expanded Excel automation.
Oh yeah, the Excel stuff.
Handling complex multi-sheet models and hundreds of formulas in one shot. Imagine the time savings there for analysts.
That kind of automation in a tool like Excel, which is so widely used, is a genuine game changer for many professionals, no doubt. GitHub Copilot has also evolved with Qodo-driven development and new audio modes in Copilot Labs. And Microsoft is revamping its Copilot app for Windows 11 with a kind of start menu-like interface and deeper AI integration. It hints at smarter access to files and ChatGPT-powered agents. It's like an AI-driven evolution of the operating system itself, making our computers far more intuitive, hopefully.
We've seen the corporate chess moves and the foundational tech. Okay, now let's shift to where AI's impact becomes truly tangible, how it's revolutionizing industries and everyday experiences. And on the creative front, Runway's browser and iOS updates now allow users to remove, add, or reimagine video elements. Google's Flow added vertical video creation, which is so relevant for social media, and Google's Gemma 3N brought offline multimodal assistance to phones. Plus, Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image tool sparked that viral nano banana trend,
Ah, the nano banana.
letting users instantly convert photos into realistic 3D figurines. That's just pure fun and creativity unleashed for everyone.
It really is. And what's striking is how AI is moving beyond just proof of concept into actual deployment, particularly in high-stakes fields like healthcare. For example, Layton's sub-600 millisecond clinical Q&A rolled out across large U.S. systems, and Glass Health delivered mobile ambient decision support. This isn't just research anymore. It's about providing real-time critical assistance for medical professionals right at the point of care.
And the impact on precision medicine is profound, isn't it? Scientists developed a groundbreaking AI tool that identifies treatments capable of reversing disease states at the cellular level. I mean, think about that for a second, reversing disease at its fundamental level. Harvard Medical School researchers also developed PD-Grapher, an AI model predicting targeted gene-drug combinations for Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. This moves us light years closer to truly personalized and effective medicine.
Yeah, and this advancement also has huge implications for early detection and diagnostics. A new AI-powered smartphone app delivers 94% accuracy in early autism screening. It offers a convenient at-home tool that could significantly reduce those diagnostic delays, and a comprehensive review shows AI tools are significantly reducing diagnostic errors in radiology, which means faster, more accurate diagnoses and ultimately, better patient outcomes.
Moving beyond healthcare, AI is streamlining enterprise and business operations in massive ways too. DeepL Agent, for instance, is designed to automate tasks in sales, marketing, human resources. And Adobe has released a suite of AI agents to optimize business processes like campaign management and customer service, even with an agent composer for building custom agents. This is fundamentally changing how companies operate, moving from manual to AI-driven processes.
It definitely is. An ICERTA survey found that a staggering 83% of C-suite executives are already adopting AI agents for contract management, and over half expect these agents to be negotiating deals autonomously within a year. That speaks volumes about the trust and reliance being placed on AI for critical business functions. For global communication, Grammarly now offers AI-powered writing assistance in 5 major languages. And SK Telecom is partnering with TimeTree to build next-gen AI scheduling agents that offer proactive recommendations, making global coordination far more efficient.
That's incredibly helpful for global teams. And ensuring reliability for these complex systems is obviously paramount. Monte Carlo has launched Agent Observability, unifying data and AI project monitoring to boost the reliability of AI deployments and reduce failure rates. It's all about making these intelligent systems more trustworthy and robust as they become more central to operations.
And if we connect this to the broader picture of consumer and creative experiences, AI is truly making everyday life smarter and more engaging. Google Cloud and Albertsons rolled out an AI-driven conversational commerce agent for personalized online grocery shopping. Imagine an AI that truly understands your preferences and helps you build your cart without, endless scrolling.
Yes, please. No more endless scrolling. On the financial front, Coinbase's new Buy402 Bazaar platform is pioneering AI-powered micropayments using USDC, leveraging the revived HTTP 402 code. This code, originally a payment-required status, is being reimagined to reshape how digital services are monetized. It allows for instant tiny transactions that could be huge for online content creators and digital services. And OpenAI is even producing Critters, its feature-length animated movie created entirely with AI tools. This drastically cuts production time and costs, aiming for a Cannes premiere in 2026. That marks a complete paradigm shift for entertainment creation.
It really highlights the creative potential across the board. Hugging Face's LeRobot is an open-source platform blending advanced AI with robotics to make machines more intuitive. That promises smarter robots across industries from manufacturing to healthcare. And Alibaba has supercharged its AMAP app with AI-powered rankings for restaurants and attractions in China, making local services far more personalized and efficient for consumers.
Okay, so with all this incredible innovation and real-world deployment, it naturally leads us to the crucial conversations happening around AI. The challenges, the ethical considerations, the future landscape. One has to ask, Are we fully prepared for all this?
Indeed. We're navigating some significant emerging obstacles. Oracle, for example, warned that inferencing capacity, that's the ability to run AI models after they've been trained, is tightening. It's becoming a significant constraint on widespread deployment. And Gartner forecasts that AI agents will dominate enterprise API traffic by 2028. That suggests a future where AI, not humans, is driving a vast amount of digital interaction between systems.
And here's a stark finding. There's apparently a 95% failure rate for generative AI pilots in large companies. This isn't just a setback. It reveals that the initial hype often overlooks the complex realities of data quality, integration challenges, maybe a clear understanding of practical use cases. This is leading industry giants to scale back and re-emphasize human expertise, which is a crucial learning moment, I think. The U.S. Census even revealed the first drop in AI adoption since 2023. These numbers really make you pause.
It's clear that the initial rush is giving way to a more pragmatic, more grounded approach. We're also seeing warnings about hidden costs. A former U.S. tech policy advisor cautioned that those $1 a year AI model offers for government, like OpenAI's federal deal, could carry significant hidden costs for training and data integration. It's not always as cheap as it seems up front.
And on a broader societal level, the environmental impact is a growing concern. New research warns of AI's hidden environmental costs, high energy consumption especially, calling for green AI practices. It's a vital part of the sustainability conversation that needs to be taken seriously.
This also leads us directly into the ethical dilemmas and societal shifts. Visualizations suggest a rise in AI-authored speeches in the UK Parliament, which immediately raises questions about authenticity and accountability and public discourse, and calls for a humans-only, fingerprint-gated social network reflect a growing fatigue with bot-driven content and, the desire for more genuine human connection online.
The bot problem is real, yeah. And the desire for genuine interaction is strong. And then there's the massive issue of copyright and consent. An investigation revealed that AI firms downloaded over 15 million YouTube videos, including nearly 1 million tutorials, without creators' explicit consent. This has sparked huge controversy and lawsuits, which could set really important precedents for intellectual property in the AI era, especially concerning how training data is acquired.
This naturally leads us to question what intelligence truly means for these models. Commentators are pushing for something called neurosymbolic reasoning, which is basically about combining the pattern recognition strengths of neural networks with the logical, rule-based capabilities of traditional symbolic AI. The idea is to move beyond mere correlation to true understanding in models. On the regulatory front, Chile is advancing a groundbreaking AI regulation bill that tries to balance innovation with ethical oversight, aiming to be a regional leader in responsible AI development.
That's a significant step forward for balanced development. Meanwhile, OpenAI itself is grappling with lawsuits in both the U.S. regarding the IO trademark and in Canada over copyright claims from major media outlets concerning AI training data. These legal battles are going to significantly shape the future of AI development and deployment globally, no question.
And finally, looking at the market dynamics and outlook, OpenAI's CFO cautions that AI is fundamentally shaking up the software sector. He's urging companies to quickly adopt AI or risk being outpaced. It's a clear warning shot to the entire industry that adaptation is no longer optional. And on a lighter note, there's even a tongue-in-cheek comic lampooning those cryptic existential exit posts from AI staffers.
Yes.
Poking fun at the melodrama sometimes associated with rapid shifts in this incredibly dynamic industry.
We've truly taken a deep dive into an incredibly dynamic period for AI today, witnessing monumental shifts in industry alliances, breathtaking technological advancements across tools and models, and the profound impact on industries from healthcare to entertainment.
It's a lot to process, but it's clear AI is reshaping pretty much everything around us.
Yeah, the overarching theme here is that as AI's capabilities expand, so do the critical discussions around its ethical implications, its economic impact, and its long-term sustainability. The conversation isn't just about what AI can do anymore, but what it should do, and how we ensure it ultimately benefits everyone. So as you reflect on all this, considering the 95% failure rate for many AI pilots, the growing concerns about inference capacity, and that increasing call for green AI practices to mitigate its environmental impact, how might you rethink your approach to integrating AI? It's not just about avoiding failure, maybe, but about truly cultivating responsible, resilient, and impactful innovation in your own domain. Something to chew on until next time.